Once we get the cap off, we're gonna get the igniter out. The igniter is on the left-hand side here. So we're just gonna pull off this yellow wire, just pulls off. And then with the wrench, the Allen wrench, just make sure that it fits down inside there. It's kind of hard with the fan motor, so you have to take little turns just so we don't strip it out. Until it's loose enough that you can move it out by hand. Do that for both of them. Once you got them hand loose, just finish taking them out by hand. When you pull this out, you'll see that the flame igniter needs to be facing in. So there's that L shape down there that needs to be facing in towards the main flame area. There's also a little filter down there. On the new one, it's very important not to touch this area here. Touching that could cause it to go out even sooner. Once you got them on hand tight, you're going to just go ahead and finish tightening them up with the Allen wrench. Again, just making little small corner turns until they're tight. You're going to put back on the wire. Come down here, turn back on the water heater, open back up the valves. They're hard. So you're hearing the lockout alarm, you gotta hit the, press and hold the I button. And then it's going to go through the steps here. B means the blower fan's on. I means it's going to ignite. G means the gas is going to it. And then F means it's firing. And we should be back up and going. Just be a matter of putting back on the cover and filling out the maintenance log for this water heater.